Once upon a time, in a deep green forest full of birdsong and sunshine, lived a playful little tiger named Tigo. Tigo had soft orange fur with shiny black stripes and the most curious eyes in the jungle. He loved chasing butterflies, rolling down grassy hills, and pouncing on piles of leaves. One sunny morning, Tigo was playing near the edge of the forest when he suddenly heard loud footsteps thump, thump, thump. He froze. Out of the trees came the biggest man Tigo had ever seen. The man was tall like a mountain, with long legs, big boots, and a big backpack. Tigo's eyes grew wide. His little heart began to race. "Oh no," he whispered. "A giant? He's going to stomp on me." Quick as a flash, Tigo dove behind a bush and peeked out carefully. The giant man looked around, then took off his backpack and sat under a tree. He pulled out a notebook and started to draw. Tigo was confused. He's not stomping or roaring, Tigo thought. What is he doing? Tigo slowly crept a little closer, careful not to make a sound. As he watched, he saw the man wasn't scary at all. In fact, the man was drawing pictures of Animal Zivan, a little tiger that looked just like Tigo. The giant man smiled and whispered, "I hope I see the little tiger today. I want to draw him in my jungle book." Tigo blinked. "He's not mean. He's nice. He wants to be my friend." With a deep breath, Tigo stepped out from behind the bush. The man saw him and smiled even bigger. "Hello, little tiger," he said softly. "You're even more beautiful than I imagined." Tigo walked over, slowly but bravely, and sat beside the man. The man showed him the drawing and gave him a gentle pat. From that day on, Tigo wasn't afraid of new things right away. He learned that sometimes things that seem scary at first might just be friendly after all. And the giant man. He visited the forests often, and every time he and Tigo would sit together, one drawing, the other purring happily,